What's up, guys? Gonna do a quick market update. Um, Today the stock market looks like a bloodbath. The S&P 500 is down about 4%. Nasdaq is down about 5%. Apple's down almost 10%. So definitely everything's red. Everything looks like it's dropping pretty big today. We think it's probably because of the Trump tariffs, the reciprocal tariffs taking effect today. I think there's actually three different types of tariffs that have already, or total of three different types of tariffs that are active now. I think the biggest tariff is like 25%. The smaller one is about 10%. So that's probably what's triggering the market downturn. So the thought is that, with these tariffs or taxes, importers are going to be paying more for imported goods, and then they're going to pass on the cost to us as the consumers. And then, us as consumers are going to have less money in our pockets, so less discretionary funds to, spend in general on the economy, so less stimulus for the economy, and long term it may affect, drop the affect the stock market as well, because we're buying, less stocks, less ETFs. And overall, the concern is, will these tariffs maybe cause a long-term recession? Not sure. Well, we'll see. But definitely, everything's red today. How long will this last? Who knows? Will Trump maybe stop the tariffs, or change his mind in a week? Will he stop the tariffs in a month? Anybody's guess is probably about the same as far as accuracy. So don't know, but technically I can't give you financial advice. I'm not a certified financial advisor. I'm just a random guy on YouTube. But I have been doing investing for at least 10 years now, read a lot of books. Overall, I have lost money in the market, but most of it's because I've bought, IPOs and startups and stuff I shouldn't be buying. But overall, over 10 years, probably up 6 figures in my portfolio, or self-directed portfolio. Probably a little bit less than 401k is probably only up about, maybe half that. But my advice would be, read a lot of books, educate yourself before you put any money into the market. But 5% drop in the market, in the words of Warren Buffett, be greedy when others are fearful, and vice versa. Be fearful when others are greedy. So big drop in the market might be a good time if you're looking to buy buy some discounted assets, whether it's safer stuff like ETFs. Buy whatever you feel comfortable as far as your risk tolerance. Diversified S&P 500 ETF is probably one of the safer things. If you want to buy single stocks, do your own research. You're probably pretty safe with large cap companies, well-known big brands, large cap tech, probably, but tech in general is probably a little bit more volatile as well. But pick something you're comfortable buying, but with the market down, might be a good opportunity to load up if you're looking to add more to your portfolio. We'll kind of see, is tomorrow going to be red again and drop some more? Possibly, I would guess probably yes. So I'm kind of interested in seeing, how much drop we're going to have tomorrow as well. Unless Trump changes his mind suddenly and reverses the tariffs. But even if he does, I'm going to guess at the soonest, probably not. It's probably going to be at least a week if he changes his mind. And maybe, who knows, maybe up to another month before, he's kind of, playing games with these tariffs and playing chicken with economies of other, leaders of other countries to try to put us ahead of them, I guess, as far as trade and things like that. But yeah, so interesting day. Looks like a bloodbath. So keep an eye on the market, and we'll see what tomorrow looks like. But yeah, click on the next video, guys, and I'll see you there.